Well, provincial health officials holding a rare Sunday news conference today at Queen's Park. We go live now to our Tina Yazdani, who has more from the Ford government. Tina.
Yes, Melissa, Ontario's long-awaited vaccine booking portal launches tomorrow. So as of 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, anyone who is 80 and over in this province can go online and book an appointment for a vaccine, or they can also do so over the phone. The Ford government calling it a milestone. Of course, this comes weeks after public health units and hospitals took it upon themselves to launch their own portals, not wanting to wait for the province.
Tomorrow will be a milestone.
In a rare Sunday press conference, the Premier boasting his government's efforts to launch a centralized vaccine portal for the province. It goes live Monday morning, and for the time being, it is reserved for residents born in 1941 or earlier.
If you're going to be 80 this year, if you're going to be 80 in September or October, November, please go online and book your appointment.
There are 800,000 appointments available to start, and if residents aren't comfortable booking online, there are two parts to the system, a web portal and a call center. The province says more than 2,200 operators will be able to take 10,000 calls an hour.
We've gone to great lengths on that second part, particularly the customer service desk, the call center, to make sure it is robust. We're prepared to ramp up even further if necessary.
They say they have stress tested the system rigorously over the past few weeks, and so far it has been seamless.
If we do have a bump in the road, our commitment will be that on the other side of the bump, after we fix it, it'll be better than it is on this side of the bump.
The province hit a record Friday after administering more than 50,000 doses in one day. Yesterday, they administered just under 42,000. They say they have the capacity to ramp up to 150,000 doses a day, or 4.8 million a month. They're just waiting for more supply. 1.4 million doses are expected to arrive in March.
If you look at that trifecta of a significant number of vaccines are pouring into the country, you've got a centralized online booking tool, and you've got public health units that are set up and ready to launch when the vaccines arrive on their doorstep. I think we'll be north of 100,000 vaccines per day easy.
And public health units as well as hospitals have been raring to go. Many launched their own web portals and have already been administering doses to the 80-plus population at mass immunization clinics weeks ahead of the province launching its portal.
Of course, everyone would have liked this to be up and running much earlier because, quite frankly, there was enough vaccine in the province to start vaccinating community-dwelling elder populations. And kudos to the public health units. They didn't stick around and sit on their hands and wait for a centralized system to come online.
In Toronto, for instance, the city launched a portal Friday. 133,000 spots opened for 80-plus residents. As of Saturday morning, just under 8,000 people had booked. So some more details. The website is covid19.ontariohealth.ca, and the phone number is 888-999-6488. The province says if you still have one of those red and white health cards, you cannot book an appointment online. You'll have to do so over the phone. And they say they're hopeful they can move into the next age bracket, so those 75 and older by early April. They also say by the end of this week, 100 mass immunization clinics will be up and running across the province.